Dibac has 4 different methods to draw circles. In this video we're going to see all of them. Once you click on the circle icon, you need to write a command to define which method you want to use. The radius method is active by default, and its command is R and then press enter. Once the function is active, you can click once to set the center of the circle and then move the mouse to extend the radius of the circle. Now you can either click again to create the circle or type a radius length and then press enter. We can also create circles using the 2 points method. You can do this by typing 2p and then press enter. Make sure you type these commands only when the circle function is active. With this method, I have to mark 2 points which will become the endpoints of the diameter of the circle. I click once to set the first point and then another click to set the second point. Dibac will automatically draw the circle after setting the second point of the diameter. Another method to draw circles is the 3 points function. To enable this method, type 3p and press enter when the circle function is active. This method works in a similar way as the 2 points function, but this time I need to mark 3 points. Dibac will automatically create a circle that meets those 3 points. The last method is the tangent function. To activate this method, type 3t and press enter. Now you can click on 3 different segments of the drawing and Dibac will automatically draw a circle tangent to those 3 lines.